Testing. Hello, everyone. I'm just doing a stream before we're going to be doing the Bitcoin halving stream. I'm just doing a quick stream. And let's see here. Let's take a look. See how many people got going. No sound. Okay. Good. Perfect. Thank you. All right. Let's get into it. So Bitcoin climbing up to 64,300 after the invasion news yesterday. And look at this rally that we've gotten. And you know what? All things considered, Bitcoin holding up very well as the stock market starts to melt down here. Get the S&P getting a very big pullback, essentially resetting the cycle on the daily time frame. Same thing for the Nasdaq, getting a very big pullback here. In my opinion, this is a potential break of the trend in the cycle now. It has invalidated many of my levels for not only the Nasdaq but the Russell, the S&P, and the S&P. Sorry, the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the Russell. The Dow Jones, I think, is still holding up. Let me just double check this. JI. Yeah, still holding my zone for now, but this could have ended. This could also have ended. And the S&P, yeah, way down. It was in my sell area. It was in my upper range of my sell area. Now it's starting to come out of it. But I think the markets will give everyone an opportunity to get out. We could possibly make a lower high and then starts to roll down. And yeah, the Russell is still holding the range here, but on like on a whim, you know, it's barely holding. IWM would have invalidated my range here, so I don't really like these trades anymore. Only one that I like is the Dow Jones, but that's saying a lot, you know. It's a lot of these indexes are starting to break down. Take a look at the VIX. VIX spiking today to the 21 area, and it's selling off. So big spike in the VIX. UVIX pushing up, but let's get over to the Bitcoin miners. So topic of this discussion today is probably going to be some of these crypto miners. You can see they had a nice day today, up 9%, 10% on Riot. Hut mining up 2%. I really like these miners. Going into the Bitcoin halving, I think they are very beaten up, very low, very cheap. I think there's tremendous opportunity for them to rise higher. But we'll see how they do. Let's see what this halving here, stock split. Right, stock split right here, 1 to 5. So it must have been really low when they split. Right, and then They got ways to go back up. Ways to go back. Riot, Mara. Yeah, they are in the buy zone, right? I told you guys they were in the buy area. Once they got pretty darn close to 14, to my level, you started to see a reversal back up. CLSK. CLSK is very bullish. I think they're the most efficient ones when it comes to mining Bitcoin. Although I don't like how the correction ended. It looks like it's just doing that, and we're not going to see any more. But I'll keep a close eye on it. But Bitcoin should essentially continue to push higher here. You know, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still currently long Bitcoin, and if you guys aren't members yet, you guys can sign up. The membership is right here inside the Discord, or you could go in the link in the description. We are up over 59% on this long position that we entered at 61,000 yesterday on that Bitcoin dump. Congrats to all the members. You guys are killing it. We are making some incredible gains now. Really happy with how the trades are working out lately. Getting back in the groove of it. You know, I think we were on a two or three trade losing streak, and then we shifted things back and made all the losses back in one trade essentially. So I think Bitcoin's just consolidating before potentially its next move higher. The halving is in 2 hours, so Bitcoin halving is in 2 hours, and we'll have to see how things react. But the price, in my opinion, should be bullish. You've seen significant buying here on the 4-hour time frame. Big money started to accumulate positions, and I think we're set to get a big pump up. But could we get a wick down? If we do get a wick down, in my opinion, I think I'm going to add to my position, and I'm going to be looking for even more upside afterwards. So just a full disclosure of what I'm thinking of doing in the short term here. 12-minute, yeah, selling, not really seeing any buying. You're getting a couple of green crosses on the 24-minute, so might sweep the high here at like 65,000 and then start to roll over. But this could have just been more consolidation before the next pump. So just take that into account, guys, when you're making your trades. All right. Let's see what else we got going on right now. Let's see if people are leaving some comments in the Discord. Nope. All right. Let's take a look at some altcoins. So let's talk about Bitcoin Cash. I am very bullish on Bitcoin Cash, like extremely bullish. I think there is so much upside potential for Bitcoin Cash. I think that we're probably going to reach the $8,000 to $3,000 ranges, 5,000, give or take. There's so much upside potential for Bitcoin Cash. Like, it's been in consolidation since it's been you know, IPO'd. I think, let me take a look at the BCH USD historical chart. Yeah, I mean, it went to like 4,000 back in 2017, and then was just consolidating ever since then. And now it's getting ready. It's getting ready for its incredible run. Like, that's just my opinion. Do what you think is best, but that's my opinion. I think we're about to literally explode higher. TON USD. Oh yeah, I know you love TON, or someone loves TON USDT. Let's take a look at TON. Why not? TON. Okay. I don't know. Is there more history to this chart, or is this it? It's a new crypto coin. It seems like it. I don't see a historical chart. Okay. Take a look at the weekly. Is there enough data for the weekly? Not really. Yeah, well, you could say that on the weekly chart. You got your 1, 2, 3 now. Now you're pulling back into 4, and then you're gonna go for your 5th wave. Now you're looking for the 4 to be finished. Could it already be finished? Reset the cycle here. Cycle reset. Yeah, this could just be like a flat correction, right? Flat. And you're getting ready to crash correction, right? AVC. And you're getting ready to go higher. But you could do a double correction, right? Don't think that we can't go lower. It's possible you could extend the wave 4. %, retrace is at $4. We could check market cipher. Yeah, see, so wave 3 and then one more high. That's what I was seeing, right? One leg higher on the weekly. But yeah, you're topping out on the weekly here for wave 3. You just might put a lot of sideways price action before your next leg up. Looking at the 4-hour, yeah, you know what? This might be good for a short right now. A ton, TON USDT. Like, looking at the 4-hour, like, green money flow is almost at 0, and you're crossing into the red, so you might be getting ready for a big dip here, right? A big dip. But I actually kind of like this for a short position, but I'll review it before I make any decisions. Yeah, like 1 hour, like 4 hour, you may be at the 0 here, but the 1 hour you're also like printing some bullish waves, momentum waves. All right, bullish divergence. Sorry, that's not bullish divergence, but you have a tight little momentum waves. I really like these for longs. So you might even pop back up, right? 19%. Like this thing can move up and down 19-20%. Wow, it's very volatile. 4 hour. Check the 24 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, this dip looks like we're about to just rally here, rally back up. You're kind of just ranging, right? So you're pretty close to the low of the range. Let's check. Bitcoin to 64,500. But yeah, the miners are a great opportunity, in my opinion. This is just my opinion. I think the lows are close to being in here. Could we go lower? Yeah, we can go lower. We can extend this for sure. But I really like these setups right now. Double correction, maybe. ABC. Wow, Riot really got close, eh? Riot really got down to the levels that I liked. It really got down to the 782. I wasn't even paying that much attention to it. This thing got really low really quick. Yeah, this thing is a buy, in my opinion. Well, if Bitcoin doesn't hold up, obviously, you know, it'll go lower. But a lot of these stocks are getting a heavy pullback now, breaking my levels. So this C leg could extend all the way down to here for AMD. So AMD 130, 91. It could go much lower. Nvidia literally collapsed today, down 10%. Right, and now it's going deeper, so it's doing either a double correction or it's just extending the C leg. So it's barely holding right now, but it's pierced my level, so I no longer like it. Some people can, if you risk on, you can take the trades and see, you know, if it holds up, then you can rally up to here. If not, you're gonna go much lower, and you're gonna put in a high here, and this will be in. And you'll have to just hold for years to come. SMCI completely collapsed as well today, down 23%, entering my major buy area at 723 to 483. So, yeah. But crypto, Bitcoin, this is what we're focusing on right now. Looks like, you know, it almost looks like a double bottom here, and you're just ready to rally back up. And then, let me see here. Whoa, that's a lot of lines. Yeah. I mean, I think we should be set to go higher here, but a lot of people are waiting for lower prices. It may not come, guys. It may not come. The smart money signals have already started to flash here, right? They've already started to flash. 4 hour. Look at this accumulation. Look what happened last time, down here. Smart money accumulating, okay. Smart money accumulating, smart money accumulating, smart money accumulating, smart money accumulating. Can we dip lower than smart money sometimes? Yes, we could get a big flush down, but that's just a longing opportunity. And then look at that rally, incredible rally from 20,000 when we were down here all the way to 28,000, right? Imagine what the miners are gonna do. So that's why I say if you're like a leverage play, you can buy those crypto miners. Risky if you're risk on. Let's check what Apple did today too. I want to check what Apple did. Yep, Apple pierced my level, so stopped that at this one too today. Very unfortunate. So Apple to me looks like this whole market is going lower now, and you're doing a fifth wave extension to much lower prices. So now we gotta wait, which is gonna be tough. You know, some people may not be ready to hold for this long. That's is where Apple's going. Let's take a look where Amazon, Microsoft, wow, they're all rolling over today, huh? Big rollover across broad market. Tesla finally hit my level, filled the gap, I think. Pretty close to filling the gap. Oh, it did fill the gap, never mind. It filled the gap today. Tesla filled the gap. Now you have a pivot to trade against 102. So 102, if 102 doesn't hold, you have a major problem for Tesla. You have a major problem, and this stock is going to go all the way back down to the 20s to the 50s, but I really doubt that. So that's the pivot to trade against for now. All right, let's cover Neo melting down too, Roku down, Netflix down, and you know what? Gold and silver holding up well. Sorry, not crypto miners. The gold miners. The gold miners are holding up quite well today. I think we got an explosive move in gold and silver coming. I love them. I love gold and silver. What do I think about Solana? Let's take a look at Sol. You know what? Solana's not too bad. 144. Although some people in my Discord hate the freaking network because it's always like failing or it's down or something, but it's not. Those are like fundamental things. They're just looking at the chart. Let's take a look at Sol on Market Cipher. Smart money was buying here at 129. Lows could be in. You know, these 4-hour signals come rarely, very rare that they come. But when they come, right, these are accumulation zones. They were signaling this at $20. So now we're getting another dip buy. But can we go lower? It's possible. It's very possible we can go lower. Let's check on the larger time frames. So 8-hour, 6-hour. You're getting big buys here at the lows. So I think in my opinion, the lows could be in. You have a really good chance. It all comes down to probabilities, right? Daily, you're good. You got a green dot confirmation of the lows potentially in. Are we gonna rally and make a lower low? That's also possible. That's also very possible. Take a look at the MFI. Imagine we dump down to 57,800. That'll be a problem. You're gonna break a lot of levels. But the halving's in less than 2 hours now. Let me check. Yep. Brace yourself! It's coming tonight! I gotta send this to my Discord. I'm prepared to take the. What did this say? What did Jack say? Take more bullets. Yeah. Yeah, I think Jack, we need to be bullish now. We need to be bullish. Mm-hmm. I am going to be doing a Bitcoin halving video later, guys. So be sure to tune into that one. I have so many people viewing my live stream right now. I think today was like the peak was like 50 on each of them. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go eat something before the halving, and I'll be back in about an hour. So make sure you tune in for that. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for coming out. Peace.